Okay, so welcome to SMTVS.com, VGA blog, tech blog. So I guess we're here looking at the page of my ops, right? Ops you generated would be right here from the prompt ops builder. Now the AI keep getting it wrong. He got this part right, but I was saying to AI when the AI first created a prompt editor, it's just the prompt on top and nothing at the bottom. So you needed now to just go ahead and put this. So they rebuild the prompt page in a different way. When AI first build the page, I say it's wrong because you say edit the ops and you click this. No, I don't want to edit ops like that. That's not what we're doing, right? That's totally something different, right? AI thinking different. When I say edit the ops, I meant go here and see the ops and issue command for the AI to update this ops. And when it's updated, you see it. All right, in this little space right here, that's why this needs to be smaller. This needs to be much smaller over here. And right here in the middle of the page again is our next iframe. This is the iframe that show you the edit. And then the iframe that goes here that show you the pages and the file that's getting created with Server React program. And right here to where you see I have my pointer. That's that's how far that chat's supposed to be right at this line. Okay? So that's the way that's supposed to be. And when you said edit is edit. So edit and preview go to the same area. Launch ops though, go to launch ops page, which I'm going to tell them to make it white and to print the same style of card that's printed inside here, out there, and make it white like this. Because a place where, okay, you come into SMTVS.com and you can look at apps that people are offering free for download that they had built, right? Or they are selling it that way. So there are different type of apps builder here in SMTVS.com. So, okay, so we're on the subject, move over to another area. Yeah, so this the way, I think, you see the way this one is? Yes, this is the right size. And then if we preview, right, that way, okay? But if you look here, in this area right here, you see there is there was, you could have built it. So this is the thing that need to be over the next one. But this is a preview thing still. Okay, all right, alrighty. So let's talk a little bit more about what we got out of the audio engine that I created, right? So for the agent, install a 24 track here out of the 32 tracks. And actually this is set to add tracks, but he just printed 24, right? And I sort of tried to test it out myself. So when I got it, it was kind of weird. I'm like, oh. And then I found out, what's this right here? Oh, okay, I see. Then I found out that the agent put in a lot of asks if I want to, and he had two of them. So now he's got to remove one, right? Okay, because he asked, we want to make a universal drag around control. Yeah, okay, I said. But he said draggable, see it? Okay. Um, oh yeah, if I want to record a track, and we sloppy arrange that, you know something I deal with, it's just like, okay, you can press play and record. But whether you press play or not, as long as you press record, You press record for record. It gets to the new style, right? You stop, right? Nothing happened. So I guess we do have a player. We do have to have a palm player. And then press record, right? In order to record something in it, right? Oh. So I'm not seeing anything. Oh. Or maybe I need to refresh because I just recorded a bunch of track. I'll refresh from the top. The system. So I know we're not on. We're not on. We're not on. Okay, if we're on, then we gotta get truck up and right there, right? I guess it went out. There it is. Okay, so it's something, right? See, I think because it's a double control, because this is the one that's controlling it now. Okay, that way, that is the one that's controlling it. And if I set recording again, it now it's recording, and this next one will stop. Okay. And if we want another, I guess we'll continue recording. Which, oh, I didn't even change the recording thing. So it overwrite that one, right? That's cool. You can overwrite. That's overdubbing, right? Only thing we'll structure it so you can mark the spot where you want to overdub. So, long as it's in player. Huh? Okay. No, that is went on. I guess we'll continue recording it. So, wrong one I'm using. I should be using this one. You're seeing there's one pipe to it and one not pipe to it, right? Say pipe. No, some should be using this one, right? We're seeing there's one. Okay. And if I arm this one, no, we should be using this one. You're seeing there's one pipe to it. Okay, so you see what's going on? Right. See, I think because it's a double control, because it's the one that's using this one. Okay, so you see what's going on? One pipe. No, that should be using this one. Okay, so you see what's going on? It's something. Right. Yeah, man. See, I think because it's a double control, because this is the one that's controlling it now. So that's how, right, the AI give me the AI version of record. But at least we can record multiple track. We'll organize it. Um, well, for human being, I do this now. We got to create the mixer board and everything. But the AI already did that in other program with me already. So, and the AI like the layout program, like at least the volume switch right there, like the way those long volume switches. And so, yeah, and every track do have a volume on it. So, and even this style of interface is different from the more traditional one still. But I'd really rather a real wave, not the SoundCloud type wave, right? That is being used right here. So you guys see it? So we have the patch B up here, and the patch B is going to be used to plug in certain things into the system. like that. So we think of everything. Next time you come, we'll construct one with the skin. We'll bridge the skin to it. Meaning, okay, on my mixer board, I don't want you to be adding a channel, and I just want a mixer board like an old-fashioned mixer board, like the one I show you, a white one like that. And that's it. And the old 32 channel is there, so you just do your thing. Only time track is added is into the track window, right? And just like how you have this now, like this, I see with the other track things there like this, it could sit right the block, even the block portion right here can sit right into the part that we call the editor, right? And recording a sort of a frame thing where it slide down, a scroll frame. So for all the years that I've been taking over people's script from people who make them own um, players, and then I made my own player. I guess I graduated from making player to making recording studio, multi-track recording device. So today the agent also got into a loop while working on a switcher. I wonder what base part for was. When I explained to them that I built the audio engine, then I built a 3D world. So it's probably drawing down. Anyway, we got out of that loop. And then this agent come and put all this bunch of thing, and then I had some more stuff up here, man. You know, seeing them tell the agent. So, but I also discover now, like, oh, this is right there on the building right there. I'm going to start using some of those signs to slap them on the building. And when people come up to the building, them see them thing there. You understand? Then we, yeah. Yeah. You understand? And dress them other building because these other buildings still look like box. Even skyscraper them look a little better. But I think they're trying to use a different type of glass thing. But if glass not no reflection upon it, it's not glass. If they can't simulate reflection, then it's going to look dull. Well, I know what's done. We have builders construction, and it's got an AI crew too. So that's the construction we build the website, yeah. So last up is Lunar, and Lunar update has not come yet for Lunar to be on at all time. Okay, this is another experiment where we created a deck, and in the deck we listed a bunch of stuff. Made this drum today. So we made a drum today, and then we borrowed a piano from the Pro Sonic. Okay, so now my studio gear named Pro Sonic, right? Because there's a web version, and then there is the desktop version. So we got keyboard and thing. You know what I'm saying? It's good. So see, that's my keyboard now. Playing my keyboard, but I'm gonna ask the agent to show the sensitivity. And when I'm using my keyboard to play, you see the notes them register. Now, one more piece I put in here is a 32 channel mixer. Only thing I'm not putting here is the wave editor. You know what I mean? So we're gonna drum up a 32 channel wave editor and put inside. Our editor that can add up to 32 channels. So if I put an editor in here now, this is a complete studio without the plugins. But we have provision for plugins. All these stuff down here is a plugin. Plugin them can go inside here. Like that. So okay. Thanks if you're viewing. You know what I'm gonna do right now? It's about 8 o'clock. I haven't slept from yesterday. 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna go sleep now. I set up 27 hour and 57 minutes. The AI Google tell me straight work. Build a browser, build a 3D world, and we build some more stuff I can show you before I leave out too. Because some things are important, but I'm gonna make them style the page more better. I don't like if you deal with medical thing, the page can't block. It have a white, you see, can't get blocked. So we got a thinking tank, right? AI think about global situation and engineer solutions, right? We have a medical dashboard, AI emergency medical center, present health, right? So we have some AI we're expert in. So we have different AI in a botanical doctor. So we have the bush doctor and the regular doctor AI in there. That's what I'm call for, right? And furthermore, the the AI part of the site, for real, where we have the AI give us the best remedies and the best push and all them things there to cure certain things out of turns, things like those things. So, thanks you guys a lot. I'm still here working on the site. Kind of tired now, anyways. I have a sleep off that. So sometimes people don't know, like, when I come up with the system, I'm off because I'm so dedicated to what I'm doing that I actually stay in one place. That's no lie. So, bless up.